Uba Prestone Tensong Menteri Rangba Bandrab Jaka Sarkar Jalao la Ther Kylla yu nongelam ko All India Trinamool Congress u Dr. Mukul Sangma ubra dawa badewan pendu pendam no ya ka Meghalaya Gaming Act. Habai kremik la pathai kubor RiKhasi pale jakate yo ba Prestone ulong ba bale Dr. Mukul Sangma udang kindit benriu menta ya ka kam kabula day ban le haki prasnem bola bat ko Menteri Rangba jong kejala. Uba Prestone ula pensyai ru ba kaniga an naniga act kam day kablawan ra thamai. Hindre ga datang ke jimpen kelai ki katu kani ki benta jong ka an kabladan lupa.
See, the rules is the regulation. So we made the regulation in place. So the act was already there. So you check now. This is not the act that we passed. Not the act. In fact, we bring out the rules and the regulations on the basis of the act.
Sir, coming back to this
just one question. Sir, the leader of opposition has said that you either scrap the act or we will scrap it when we come.
What I'm saying is, I don't know, Mukul that time, why didn't he scrap that? He was there as chief for 8 years. He should have done it. And now why you realize this? Is it because of your political game? That's what I'm saying. This is not fair. When you are in the opposition, you talk so irresponsibly. When you are in the ruling, as if everything is well, everything is fine. But before you talk about yourself first. Ask question yourself.